Today's episode, once again, barbecue gas holler. We're gonna do some chicken Philly cheesesteaks on the grill. Well, I already got my boneless chicken breast cut in half, butterflied. So now I'm gonna start the fire. Check this out. I got a chimney full of charcoal, briquettes, Kingsford brand. Go get some. They're on sale right now for $9 for 2 bags. See, I stocked up right here. Look at those. I got like six bags. Well, anyways, I got some newspaper in here at the bottom of the chimney. And check it out. That's all you gotta do. Start it up from the bottom. On that side and on this side. It won't even burn. And you just wait about 20 minutes and it'll be ready to go. I'll see you on the next video. Alright, we're back. We have this chicken breast marinating for about an hour in the fridge with zesty Italian dressing. And now it's time to grill this puppy up. Alright? So we're gonna do this about 10 minutes. Get a nice grill mark on there. Oh yeah, it smells good. There it is. I'm gonna cover it up. And we wait. And then we're gonna put the onion, bell peppers on there too later on. I finished the chicken up. So I'll see you guys in the next clip. Check it out, this is the last step right here. I already took the chicken out, the veggies. I'll put them in here. I got a pan with some foil, like a little boat. Put them in there, put the cheese on top. Now I'm gonna put them back in the grill for about 5 to 10 minutes until the cheese melts. And that'll be the last step. As you can see, we still got some heat there. Let's put this on the grill. Cover it up. And we'll give 5-10 minutes and it should be done. Chicken Philly cheesesteaks on the grill. Barbecue gas holler. Peace. Alright. It's been about, I said about 6-7 minutes. So I can see through the vents that the cheese has already melted. So the chicken Philly cheese steaks sandwiches are done. And now check it out. Don't burn yourself, cameraman. Oh yeah. Get a close up of that. See that? Only you can smell that, man. You guys are missing out. Well, till next time, so peace out and enjoy.